Mix extra virgin olive oil with lemon juice and take them on an empty stomach, and you won't ignore this recipe for your whole life. Dear viewers, we talked in a previous video about the benefits of mixing olive oil and lemon juice with honey, and during it, we talked about the importance of the presence of honey in preserving this mixture for a long time from any interaction that may occur between lemon juice and olive oil that leads to spoilage. But many viewers wanted to get on this recipe without adding honey due to the spread of adulterated honey and the difficulty in obtaining the original honey. So in this video, we will talk about the benefits of mixing olive oil with lemon juice only, without adding honey, and how to use this recipe in the right way to get its amazing benefits. Before we start, if you have taken olive oil with lemon, press like in order to know the number of people interested in these types of videos, and if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome again. What happens in your body if you take olive oil mixed with lemon juice? Extra virgin olive oil is a type of healthy vegetable oil rich in beneficial compounds, especially monounsaturated fatty acids and polyphenols, in addition to many nutrients and vitamins. As for lemon, it is one of the most acidic fruits, and it's also rich in many vitamins and compounds important to the body. When mixing olive oil with lemon juice, this will provide the body with many amazing health benefits, which we'll present in this video, in addition to how to use it optimally. First, this mixture helps treat inflammatory diseases. Olive oil contains polyphenols, and lemon juice contains vitamin C, so this mixture contains a high percentage of bioactive antioxidants, which makes it a good medicine for those suffering from inflammatory diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. Second, it strengthens memory, helps increase concentration, and prevents Alzheimer's disease. Thanks to the high content of powerful antioxidants in this mixture, it fights harmful free radicals responsible for the symptoms of aging. As these harmful free radicals are always in an unstable state and constantly work to withdraw a single electron from the healthy cells in the body until they reach a stable state, while the body cells that lose electrons turn into an unstable state, and this is known as oxidation of cells that result in various diseases. And here lies the importance of high concentrations of antioxidants present in this mixture that works to fight these harmful free radicals by donating an electron to these free radicals without making themselves unstable, which causes free radicals to stabilize and become less harmful to the body cells. Also, lemon and olive oil together contain high levels of potassium and magnesium, which have good effects on the brain and nerves, fight depression and tension, and help to increase focus. Third, promote the health of the skin and hair. Lemon juice stimulates collagen production, which works to remove dark circles that form under the eyes, solve the problem of acne, pimples, and blackheads. It also helps the elasticity of the skin and prevents the formation of wrinkles, which makes the skin more fresh and vibrant. It also strengthens the hair and increases its luster, as the potassium citrate present in lemon works to remove dandruff, while olive oil moisturizes the scalp, which makes the hair healthier and shinier. Fourth, it helps to stimulate blood circulation and improve the performance of the cardiovascular system. Olive oil contains a good amount of monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants such as oleic acid and polyphenols, which help reduce the level of bad cholesterol, prevent strokes, and reduce risk factors for heart disease. Lemons also contain vitamin B2, or what's known as riboflavin, which is important for the formation of red blood cells and production of antibodies, and also helps to balance blood pressure. In addition to being rich in vitamin C, citric acid, magnesium, calcium, pectin, bioflavonoids, and limonene, which strengthens the immune system and makes it very effective against some germs and viruses and fighting colds and flu. Fifth, the combination of olive oil and lemon juice helps to soften the mucous membranes of the stomach, improve kidney and gallbladder functions, and it is a good treatment for urinary tract infections and constipation. Moreover, this acidic mixture, once metabolized, produces alkaline byproducts that help purify the body and release endotoxins. Sixth, it contributes to improving the performance of the liver and its functions and making it healthier, as this mixture works to protect the liver from infection with hepatitis, a disease, by eliminating the virus that causes it and limiting its spread to healthy cells in the body. Seventh, maintains the integrity of blood vessels, bones, and teeth. Thanks to lemon, which contains a high percentage of ascorbic acid known as vitamin C, which deficiency in the body leads to various diseases, the most important of which is scurvy, which is a weakness in the capillaries, which makes one vulnerable to wounds easily. Its deficiency also leads to mouth ulcers and bleeding gums constantly. As well as lemon helps to remove uric acid from joints, which is one of the main causes of arthritis. Eighth, this mixture contributes to weight loss, as the oleic acid present in olive oil stimulates the increase in the production of the peptide hormone, which is an appetite-regulating hormone, which enhances the feeling of satiety, thus eating fewer meals. Ninth, it is useful in breaking up kidney stones because lemons contain high concentrations of potassium citrate, which works to break up the stones, and by the action of olive oil, the crumbs of the stones in the kidneys move to the bladder to exit easily through the urinary tracts. 10th, improve the body's energy. If you're a man or woman who does hard work throughout the day, or you want to improve your body's energy to perform and practice various tasks, you can rely on this mixture as it is a great tonic for the body that resists lethargy and fatigue and provides the body with maximum vitality and energy. Many studies have confirmed that a diet rich in olive oil and lemon maintains the integrity of blood vessels and the continuation of blood circulation and activity in all parts of the body. It is worth noting that obtaining these wonderful benefits from this mixture is related to choosing the quality of the ingredients used, especially olive oil, so you must use extra virgin olive oil with the highest health value. And unfortunately, many people don't know the specifications of extra virgin olive oil and how to distinguish and choose it from among the many types. Therefore, on the end screen, you will find a video explaining the specifications of extra virgin olive oil and how you can choose it easily, method of preparation and use. To prepare this mixture, you must use extra virgin olive oil packed from the beginning of its production in an opaque bottle that doesn't allow light to pass through. This is because olive oil, when exposed to light, occurs what's called photooxidation, which negatively affects its nutritional value, as well as lemons must be fresh from a reliable source. You only need to mix a teaspoon of olive oil with a teaspoon of lemon juice. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, half an hour before breakfast. In a few days, you will feel better, leaner, and more energetic. This mixture must be mixed and taken immediately. It shouldn't be left for a long period of time so that the chemical reaction doesn't occur between the ingredients that lead to its losing nutritional value. But if you want to make a mixture with these ingredients and remain for a long period of time, to more than a month, without losing its nutritional value, this you will find in a video that's on the end screen. Dear viewers, this was all we have for today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Write your opinion in the comments section. Finally, if you want to discover the hidden benefits of ginger for your health, click on this video.